each other but also to the divine. To set the right tone, let us all join our hands and bow our heads for the prayer service.
Let's take a moment to seek blessings for an event that brings out all the best in our participants. We may request the prayer team Meenakshi and Kirti from grade 9 to come forward and conduct the prayer service.
Firstly, we shall participate in the Bible reading and then proceed to the prayer service, followed by the school hymn.
Today's Bible reading is taken from the book of Isaiah, chapter 12, verses 2 to 5. God is my Savior. I will trust Him and not be afraid. The Lord gives me power and strength. He is my Savior. As fresh water brings joy to the thirsty, so God's people rejoice when He saves them. A day is coming when people will sing, give thanks to the Lord, call for Him to help you. Tell all the nations what He has done. Tell them how great He is. Sing to the Lord because of the great things He has done. Let the world hear the news. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to the Lord.
With that, a warm and hearty welcome to everyone present. We extend our special welcome to our esteemed judges, respected teachers, participants, and all the lovely people in the audience.
And now, to formally welcome you all, we call upon Mrs. Anupama Ma'am, our Vice Principal, who always brings warmth and cheer.
Welcome talented singers and representatives from various schools. We are thrilled to host this singing competition, celebrating the richness of voices and musical talents among our youth. Your participation makes this event truly special. To each contestant, we wish you the very best of luck. May your passion, creativity and hard work shine through in every note. May this platform inspire you to reach new heights in your musical journey. Let's come together to make a memorable day filled with melody, harmony and joy. Thank you all. Let the music begin.
Some words of encouragement and inspiration from our beloved leader.
True, we now invite our principal and correspondent, Reverend Father Bharat, who always motivates us to achieve excellence.
Appreciation to Shivashivani School all the way traveled and participating. My special thanks to the school management and both the coordinators who accompany the kids. And the kids, I wish you all the best. And the next farthest place is Satanapalli Holy Family School. So we'd like to thank the school management and also all the teachers who, and then you look very gorgeous, winning or losing is secondary, but your sister spent a lot of money on putting on makeup. So I hope and pray that we will have some positive result too. The next, my neighbor and part of our organization, Little Flower School. So both are dedicated to Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. So she is elder sister to us, Little Flower, and the STEM school is a younger child. So we would like to thank Sister Saveri and all the coordinated teachers and for active participation in this event. Thank you so much. And so I would like to thank our STEM school team and preparing our kids for this event. So our singing coordinators, Deepika ma'am and Deepa ma'am and William sir, and making things possible. I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh, who is coordinating, and Mr. Avinash, who is a channel between ASISC, AP and Telangana, and also the STEM school. And finally, I also would like to thank our Vice Principal Anupama ma'am and Mr. Ramadevi madam for making all these things look very beautiful. And before I leave onto the stage, I wish all the best.
దాన్ని కీర్తిస్తూ పరవశిస్తున్న వారు రాయప్రభులు.
పాడల
ఎప్పుడూ ఒప్పుకోవద్దురా ఓటమి, ఎప్పుడూ వదులుకోవద్దురా ఓటమి, విశ్రమించవద్దు ఏ క్షణం, విస్మరించవద్దు నిర్ణయం, అప్పుడే నీ జయం నిశ్చయం రా. ఎప్పుడూ ఒప్పుకోవద్దురా ఓటమి, ఎప్పుడూ వదులుకోవద్దురా ఓటమి.
judges who have been in this musical journey for a very, very long time. they wish to share some of their experiences in nurturing and becoming evolved in the musical field as musicians. They are in and around great musicians here in Guntur. So let's all take some time to listen to their expertise and experience. First of all, may I request on behalf of STEM School, Shivaya Garu to come forward and share his experiences. May I request everyone to give a big round of applause.
STEM School వారు నిర్వహించినటువంటి సింగింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్ నాకు ఎంతో నచ్చింది అనమాట. I have been all around in Delhi for around 15 years I was there. ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా చేసినటువంటి మన స్టెమ్ స్కూల్ నిర్వాహకులు భరతరెడ్డి గారు అండ్ అందరూ పెద్దలు, నిజంగా వాళ్ళు ఎంత పెద్ద మనసు నాకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది అనమాట. ఢిల్లీలో అంతకాలం ఉన్నా నేను, కానీ ఇంత పెద్ద ఎత్తున పిల్లల్ని సంగీతంలో కూడా తీర్చిదిద్దాలనే మంచి భావన వాళ్ళ కలగడం అనేది నిజంగా చాలా అదృష్టం. ఎంత పెద్ద చదువులు చదివినా సరే కొంత వినయం, విధేయత, సంస్కారం అలవడాలంటే సంగీతం చాలా ఇట్ ప్లేస్ వైటల్ రోల్. You may be a collector, you may be a big engineer or a renowned person, but becoming a musician is very difficult. అలాంటి ఈ కళని దానికి ఒక జీవం తీసుకురావడానికి మన భరతరెడ్డి గారు, అనుప మేడం గారు, ఇంకా దగ్గర పెద్దలందరూ చేస్తున్న ఈ కృషి నిజంగా ఐ అప్రిషియేట్ దీస్ పీపుల్.
సంగీతం అందుకే వెన్నెవర్ ఐ ట్రావెల్, నేను ఏ మూడ్లో ఉన్నానో నాకు చెప్పేది నేను హమ్మింగ్ చేసేటువంటి రాగమే. ఆ రోజు నేను బాధగా ఉంటే కనుక ఆ శివరంజను లేకుంటే ఒక్కోసారి ఆ మోహన రాగము పాడుకుంటూ పోతాను. బాగా సంతోషంలో ఉన్నాను అనుకోండి, ఒక నటభైరవే పాడతాను, ఒక హిందోళం పాడతాను. ఈ విధంగా లేదంటే ఇంకొక కల్చరల్గా ఉన్నాను అనుకోండి, ఒక మధ్యమావధిలో పాడతాను. ఇంకా లేదు జనరల్గా ఉన్నాననుకోండి, మాయమావ గాళోరాకు పాడతాను. అంటే నా మనసులో ఏదుందో అది నా నోటి ద్వారా, రాగం ద్వారా అది వ్యక్తీకరణ అవుతుంది.
It's my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all of those who made this event a grand success. First, I extend my sincere gratitude to the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination for supporting this journal event. Your commitment to focus artistic talent and providing students with such platforms to shine is truly commendable. Our deepest thanks to our distinguished panel of judges, Reverend Father Fatima Mareddy, Mr. Toda Shivaya Garu and Mr. Emmanuel Rajkumar Garu, who have graciously given their time, expertise and encouragement to each the participants. Your guidance and feedback have not only helped our participants, but will inspire them to continue growing in artists.